Baby. Excuse me. You did just do a peace sign. You did what? You did a peace sign. I'm supposed to be going to meet my friend Vivian for pizza, but this car, it's a hot mess. So I need to wash the car first, which is a chore I really don't enjoy doing. But I also don't like driving a dirty car, so yeah, it's gotta be done. I'm done washing the car finally. It was worth it, even though I hated it at the beginning. Oh, is my bun lopsided? Rude. Anyway, the car looks so nice. It's so clean. Look at that. Look at that windscreen. Look at this bonnet. You can literally eat off it. Anyway, this is how I go to the shower, by the way, if anyone is curious. No one asked you, Margiey. Okay, yeah, sure. Anyway, so I'm done. Oh, jeez. Okay. There we go. Yeah. This is my outfit. Just a plain t-shirt, a plain black tee. Well, it's not plain. It actually has text on it. I'm sure you guys remember this natural hair Kenya t-shirt that I DIY'd. By the way, whose video is about to hit 1 million views. That happened, by the way. Anyway, yeah, so a plain t-shirt and these straight leg pants that I got from Toy Market for 100 bob. One more thing, I forgot to switch bags, so I have to do that now. Yeah, now I'm good to go. It's taken me like 10 minutes just to set up this thing for that holds my phone. Anyway, let's go do this. Let's see how this vlogging thing is done on the outside, okay? Why is everything quiet? Anyway, yeah. Baby. Excuse me. My battery is flat, so that's my brother over there coming to help me jumpstart it. This is where I put my 2 jumper cables. Alright. Naona venye engine ni chafu. Wow. Aibu. Red positive.
You want to connect at the same time?
Hey. Gari go off, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, the red part. Iko off, hakuna electricity. The chuma, just as long as umeshika the chuma part, you're fine. So you start yours. Bless my brother, man. Hallelujah. Okay, so now we can go. Jeez. Thank God I was at home. And thank God for my brother. Honestly, cars can be disrespectful. So I'm one of those people who find it a bit odd not having cash when we're cost sharing something. So I had to stop to go to the ATM because I don't have cash. I rarely ever have cash on me, which is a bad habit. But now it's made me have to stop so that I can just go to the ATM. I panicked for a second there because I wasn't sure if the car would start. Man, I'm finally here. I'm late. So I just see you entrance new happy. Anyway, Viv, I'm sorry. Hi. We just finished eating. I have shibat. Anyway, so now we're going to K1, the flea marketplace, because why not? To school. Guess what? This guy behind me just hit me. Like, he literally booped into me, but it's not bad. The damage isn't bad, at least. Okay, so I'm finally in school. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see, like over here, aligonga upper, like he hit it like this with his number plate, so like the mabati bent, like you see this fracture. So not so funny story, I actually forgot to lock the car. If you know me, you know, like, if I remember, it's a blessing. Akinyi, mungu to it, I still come back to it. Today is one of those slow days and I don't have anything to do, so I clean because that's what I do when I'm bored. And I just remembered a bunch of people have been asking if the Ngomas that I did for my DIY, the spray paint ones, people wanted to find out if the paint, you know, is if if the paint stays on even after washing. I've scrubbed up, dubbed, and the spray paint is still looking as it was. So I think it's safe to say that it is color fast. Is that the word? Like, okay, yeah, like it still stays spray painted even after washing, scrubbing. The spray paint is still on and it looks exactly the same as it did before. So you can spray paint your shoes and wash them and maintain the design. Every morning before starting to work, I normally cross out a day off my calendar, just so my internal clock is in sync with real life, you know, so that I know how long I have left in the week, in the month, in the year. Today I'm going to Jav. I'm gonna have to use public transport simply because I'm going to town to KICC in the evening for some expo thing, convention thing. Yeah, so I don't want the hassle of an automobile in the CBD. I'm wearing a bodysuit, these very high-waisted pants from the same guy, toy for 100 bob, and this throw-on thing, cover-up thing, and I'm carrying my bag from Romwe. I'm here with Miss Trudy finally. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, what's up?
She has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm Miss Tudy. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber as well. My channel is called Miss Tudy.
I'll link it up in the description box. So I'm meeting her for lunch. We're about to eat with Mama Rocks.
Yeah.
Mama Rocks, yeah. I don't even bother looking at the menu because I already know what I want.
So So she's actually been in school for 6 years. I thought architecture is 4. I thought it's only medicine that's 6 years.
No, actually medicine and architecture is 6. Alafu engineering is 5, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know architecture like guys.
It's long.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm almost done next year. So yeah.
So will you do architecture full time, or are you planning to take it seriously?
Okay, actually I don't know how to answer that question right now because technically even after I'm done with school I still have to like work and then be professionally registered. So sijamaliza after next year. So but I still want to practice architecture. So I think it will still be like both of them concurrently for a while. Yeah.
Can you say you love any of them most?
No.
You love them the same?
I love them. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Because technically, if you look at it, architecture is also content creation in a way. Because you're still creating something. So I think I can say I love them both equally. That's why it's difficult to like drop one. For now, I don't know. Maybe things will change. Who knows?
You cancel the order.
Did I even order? Shit, I did not.
She told them to make that.
The mango.
You ordered the beef mango something.
Did I order?
Yeah.
She didn't write anything.
She didn't.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm over here waiting for food. Nah, I couldn't.
Oh my god. Nice.
Yay. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I will. Jeez, it's a mess. A nice mess though. Yeah. Sorry?
Is it on the phone or are you watching the show?
What show?
I sit there, I don't have the frame of the phone.
Oh, yeah, you will be though. You will.
Talking to someone.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, they have a dog. Hi.
You love dogs.
I love dogs. Okay, I love dogs, but I'm
Dogs
more of a
and
cat
cats.
person.
Even me,
cat
prefer
person. But I also love dogs. Oh, they have a pet. They have a pet. How cool is that? Yay! Thank you. Oh, minus the spoon. Does it have weight?
Yep.
Seriously?
Yeah, it does.
Wow, okay.
6'8".
You're lying. But yours is more than mine.
Really?
Oh no, but I do the thing. I do this. I like when you gongesha so that everything goes down. You did just do a peace.
You did what?
You did a peace sign. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. Mine, Akinyi. I'll link Miss Tudy's channel in the description box, so be sure to open it and go watch her content. She's amazing. She's funny. If you must, you can. If you can, you must.